So how do you and your staff, how do you all keep up with the new knowledge? Do you all do refresher training every year?
The first difference is we have our ears to the what the market needs through our instructors. Don't forget, they are full-blown professional on the daytime, right? So they know what's happening in their environment. They know what's needed. They know what's hot. They know what's staying because they have to interact with these technologies. So that's the first thing. The second thing to keep them, like to give our instructors incentive to level up, is that we finance all continuing education for our instructors. So if they want to take any type of certification, Yellowtail pays for it. Yellowtail encourages it. And even if we need to go outside of Yellowtail to get additional training to bring back, the company finances it. So it's a way to
Okay.
incentivize our staff, our instructors, or collaborators to level up and keep up to date with the technologies in general.